these are the questions for your practice. These are your homework. You have to try this question. Okay, try these questions. How you will try? Try this question. I will be asking your answer from you in tomorrow class. Okay, I will ask answer for each question. Okay, till now we have 6 question here, and one 7 question and one 8 question. Okay, all 8 question you all have to try. Okay, I will ask answer of each part. Okay, okay, you can do it, or I should do any one of anyone. If you want that I should do any one of them, you should ask. Okay, then try all this question. Okay, you will find magnetic field for this. Okay, accordingly you will find magnetic field for this part and for this part, and add here find direction also. Okay, similarly you will find magnetic field for all those. Okay, so I show you one thing. I show you. For this, I show you. You see here. For this part, magnetic field is, you will take radius r. How much? B will be, first is equal to mu naught I by 2 r. And for second part, it will be, you will curl your forefinger here. You will see your thumb will point inward. That means it will cross. Now for this one, you will do B2 is equal to mu naught into I by 2 into R is 2R into this is, and this is direction of dot. You can see. You will subtract both of them, you will get your answer. Similarly, you have to try all of this. Okay.